Hello everyone, welcome back to Complete Laravel e-commerce project tutorial. This is another new video. Thank you very much for patiently waiting for this long period for the new video. I'm very sorry for making you waiting that much. And actually this happened because of lots of issue like I'm not full-time making video. I do work on client project. I also a full-time student, so yeah, it's get complicated to make video regularly, but I will try my best to finish this as early as possible in this December. Okay, so yeah, let's do a part left here. So in last video we set up this form, and if I go to the code, so this is the code we did in last video. We complete the validation for store product. Now let's move to the next part where we have to actually store this product, right? So yeah, that's pretty simple. After we store this product, next we are going to be like display them in the manage product page, and yeah, we can move into the next phase of the development where we will add this beautiful theme in our project, in our script, and move into the really fun part where we'll able to implement Livewire in many places, like in search, in product filtering, in add to cart, and in like add to favorite, compare product, and much more. So fun part going to begin as soon as we are start implementing this thing. So yeah, this is the final video like for admin panels thing. Okay, and whatever left we will complete that after we implement something in the user panel. Okay, so let's move into the final part, okay, coding part. So what we have to do is we have to simply like call the product model and then use here the create. It's not new for you guys, like then we can just simply store product information one by one in our database. So if I go to our database, let me show you, this is our database. Then this is the product table. Okay, so if I go to the structure, so first of all you have to pass the product name. Very simple, you can simply pass it like this. From request we are getting the product name. From which field, let me show you, from request product name field we are getting the product name, right? So this is how. Next one is like description. Okay, description, similarly we are getting description as well from request, where this is the description, name is description. You can see my database name and the input field name is similar because it helped me to code faster. So yeah, I don't need to check again and again. Next one is SKU. By the way, if you just watch this video of this series for the first time, make sure that you check out the playlist below, so you will be able to continue from the very beginning, which will help you to actually understand what we did, how we did, etc, etc. Okay, now I have to open the Livewire category subcategory, not this one, in the this one, yeah, fine. Next I have here what, seller ID. Okay, so seller ID going, we are getting from where, tell me? We are getting it from directly auth, then ID. Yeah, perfect, that will pass the seller ID here. Next is category ID. Category ID, we are getting category ID from category subcategory Livewire file. So category ID we are getting from category ID. So it's also going to be request, then category ID. Then next is subcategory ID. So yeah, request, then subcategory ID. I'm promising you guys that I will end this within December. Okay, don't worry at all. Okay, we are nearly into the ending part actually. Next parts are fun and next parts are really easy to do. It will not take much time, just some fun work remain. Okay, don't worry about it at all. If you choose it for your final project or like final displaying project for your varsity, whatever it is, don't worry. The store ID, after that what? After that regular price. It is also coming from request, then this is the regular price. You can easily continue this, right? It's very simple. I can skip this anyway, but I want to show you everything, that's why just showing you this part. Edit part going to be for you guys, okay? Just because nothing new here, okay? Everything is similar to create, so why you should just wasting our time? It not make any sense. Tax rate, request, then tax rate. Congratulations to someone who commented yesterday, like he completed the project, few things remain after watching our video. That's nice. Stock quantity also coming from here, stock quantity. Then next what? Next is stock status. It also coming from, okay, by default we are passing stock etc, so we don't need to pass it from here. Okay, don't need it. Next what? Next is slug. Okay, there's two ways we can actually get slug. We can directly convert this product name to slug. That's one way. Another way is the way we are doing here. Simply give the user the option to create a slug. That's actually much more better than creating slug from product name, because I'm giving here the flexibility to the seller, like he can just moderate his slug any way he want to, which is better, right? So yeah, I'm just going to pause here. But slug, right? Slug, yeah. Visibility by default 0, so we don't need to pass anything to that. Yeah, let's pass something to slug. Slug also coming from our request and slug, I believe so, but still let's check it. Yeah, name is slug. Then next what? Next we have here visibility, meta title, meta description. Yeah, meta title. Let's do it. Meta title, request, meta title coming from meta title field, I believe so. Then meta description, request, meta description. Then next what? Status by default default is none actually, so yeah, draft publish. Let me check the code. Okay, why we did not pass anything by default for this one? Status, let's change it. Okay, let's change the status. By default value is as defined to draft. Okay, save it. So yeah, by default the status is going to be draft, so you don't pass anything for that as well. Amazing. My friends, you know that when we're going to create this product, it will not only impact the product table, right? It will also going to impact another table. Which table? Let me show you. It also going to impact the product image table, right? So when we create product, it add product information to product table and product images to product image table, right? So in order to give information to product image, like we are going to upload multiple images here, so we need to do something like that like if this image field is filled up, then we will loop through every image and then one by one we will store them in this table. So how we will do so? Very simple. This is the code block you will need. Very simple. If request as file image, that means if we fill up successfully or if we just upload image using this input type file, if it gets some kinds of files, then what it will do, it will loop through all the images file, and for every image it going to create a path. Next using our product image model, it's going to store product image in our database. So what it will store, it will store product ID firstly. So product ID it will store. Where it will get product ID? If I simply add here product variable, what it will enable for me is as soon as a new product added to my database, it will pass all of that product information directly to my product variable. So using this product variable, I will easily able to access that product ID, name, and so on. Next, I have to store image path. Okay, and then I have to also store is primary. So by default it's going to be false. We can change any image is primary false to true, so that it will display at the home page primary image for that product. Okay, so simple like this. Next you have to also type here like PHP artisan storage link. Simply I already linked that, and what it will did, let me show you what it will going to do for you. If I go to my public folder, as soon as you run that command, it will enable this storage shortcut inside of your public folder. That means now you will able to access the storage folder using just simply public folder. So /public /storage, and it will boom enable you to access all file inside of this folder. Now what you're going to do is simply when you upload a product, simply going to look for product image folder inside of your storage folder. If it did not find any product image folder, it will first time create that for you. Then it's just simply store one by one each of your product image there. Let me delete this. Okay, now let's try to check all of this thing, but before that we have to also write something else here, like return redirect back with the message, right? So just copying from other file, return redirect back with message product added successfully. Awesome. Now if I go back to my website again, refresh this page, if everything okay, I will able to create a new product here. My product name is going to be yellow shoe, and I'm just going to type my yellow shoe is the first product for this project. Then I'm going to choose 3 images. These are the 3 images I'm going to upload for this product, and this is my SKU. I'm going to choose the category called fashion and subcategory called shoes and footwear. I'm going to upload it to my XYZ store. Regular price going to $199 US. Discount price is $190. Tax going to be 5%. Stock quantity is only 10 product, and this is my slug. Meta title yellow shoe, meta description yellow shoe. Let me add this product. You can see, boom, product added successfully. Now if I go to my database, if I go to my product table, I will able to see my product actually added successfully in my database product table. If I go to product image table, you can see all of these 3 images actually added to my database. That's amazing, right? So yeah, if I go to my product image folder right now, you can see all of these 3 images uploaded amazingly to our product image folder as well. So everything working perfectly. Multiple image upload along with all the information is done awesomely. Our next job is pretty simple. What is our next job? Our next job is to display all of our product whatever we added in our manage product page. This is for you. Do the display, do the edit and delete functionality for the product. This is exactly same what we did in store, what we did in create category, what we did in subcategory. So I'm not going to do this part. This is completely your job. If you fail to do so, comment below. I will do it for you guys. Okay, let me show you. Just simply let me show you how simple this is going to be. Let me show you that. This is the manage, right? So this is the function which is returning the seller product manage file. So just type here products, okay, and then use the product table and get like product where, let me show you, where product, then this where seller ID, right? So where seller ID is equal to what? Here just get the current seller, then use auth dot id to get the current seller ID, then simply pass that here, then type here get or simply all. So what it will do, it will fetch out all the product from the product table for this seller, the seller you are looking for, the seller you are browsing the dashboard. Then just simply compact them here like product. Okay, now whatever you need to do is you need to just go to this manage.play.php file and just for each int for each, then type here product as product, and if I just use here a p just to demonstrate you guys, product, then product name, right? Whatever it is, like product name I want to display here. Okay, it should be inside of let templating. If I save this, go to the page, manage page again. Okay, call to undefined method all. Let me go here like get. Okay, not all get, and yeah, it will go into whichever. This is messed up. Okay, product PROD UCT. Okay, just misspell here, misspell there, nothing else. Okay, I hope you get that. Simple. So yeah, you can see I added one product which is yellow show. It is displaying here, right? So very simple to do. Just take 1 minute to like displaying all the product here for this seller. Then just do the edit functionality is exactly same as we create the product, and edit is like one line, right? So I hope it's not going to be hard for you. Still, if you find it hard, let me just completely show you that. How I'm going to do so. I'm going to open seller store manage, copy everything from there, come back to product manage. Okay, manage product, all product added by you, product name, then quantity, then price, then action, then product as product, then product ID, product name, then product quantity like how I pass it. I pass the quantity, man. Okay, stock quantity, fine. Stock quantity. Then next one is product price, so it's regular price, fine. Then we'll have edit and delete functionality. Let me show you. It should display everything right now. Yeah, you can see it's not taking even time from us. We can now just simply work on delete, right? You know guys, it's very simple. So that's why I just show you directly. I just want to finish this part so I can move into the next part. Next part is pretty fun. In our next video we will start working on our front end. Remember, this is going to be amazing. So yeah, just watch the full videos. Every video going to be important. Watch the full video and you will get the full of it. Yeah, we will start this part in our next video. Then we will come back again into every single of the dashboard we built and complete all the missing part alongside we complete this thing. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.